Good morning. Good morning, children.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Today we'll be doing something easy, interesting. I picked up something which
Good
is very
morning,
easy.
ma'am.
Good morning, Victor. Good morning. We'll be doing something very easy. Reordering of sentences. Good morning, children. Reordering of sentences. See, there is only one rule of doing this reordering of sentences. You should count how many words are there in this. For example, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many words are there in the first sentence? Please count.
Ma'am, 13.
13. So when you reorder a sentence, you should check that your reordered sentence also has 13 words. This is the only way of checking whether your answers will be correct or not. So this is reordering of sentences. Like in second sentence, how many words are there?
10 words, ma'am.
Yes. So what you need to do is reorder the sentence in such a way that there are 10 words only. Let's do this with me. Do this with me. Tell me what will be the reordered sentence for the second one. Tell. Who will tell me the answer?
Ma'am,
Yes,
Ma'am
please.
Bhumika. Knowledge is a unique passion that can never be stolen.
Very good. And if we count the number of words that she has spoken are exactly the same as given in this. So you have to rearrange them in such a way, even if you miss out one word, supposing she would have missed out that, then the answer would have been correct. Absolutely correct, Bhumika. Excellent. Your time starts now, children. Please reorder the first 4 sentences. Write it in your note. What is the heading you will put? Reordering of sentences. Put today's date.
And we have to write in a rough notebook.
You have submitted your fair notebook?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Never
ma'am.
mind.
Yes,
Never mind.
ma'am.
Never mind. Write in your rough notebook. Post it on the group so that you are marked present. Later, you can copy it in the fair notebooks. Today, I'll get
Yes.
them collected from school. Okay. Don't worry. I'll get them collected today. Reordering of sentences will be the heading. Put on today's date. Do the first 4 sentences. Since you're doing it rough, no problem. Even if needed, we can change the answers. I hope those who joined us late know what has to be done. Niharika and Saida Zainab Fatima, have you both joined? You know what has to be done? Niharika, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Said Zainab Fatima, are you there? Saida Zainab Fatima, are you there? Please answer back, otherwise for me you're not there. Yes. I am removing you from the meeting. Please stay present, otherwise I will remove you. Saida. I have removed her from the meeting now. Those who finish, raise your hands.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of faculties?
Okay, which sentence are you talking about, beta?
Ma'am, human faculties.
Human faculties.
Yes,
It
ma'am.
is basically, I'll just tell you. Let me, Arya and Maurya is in your section.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Human faculties means human qualities, human talent. Just plan the first 4 answers, children. That's it.
Human
Quickly.
faculties, knowledge.
And raise your hands once you're done. Done, beta? Can I discuss the answers first 4?
Ma'am, last one is that.
Yes.
Okay, do it quickly. We'll wait for him. The last one, then we'll discuss the answers. Okay, what is the first sentence? Tell me the answer.
Knowledge and time are the two most powerful tools.
Yes, knowledge and time.
Knowledge and time are the
Time
two
is the two
most
most
powerful
powerful.
tools that one can access.
That one can.
Possess.
Very good.
Yes.
Yes, very good. Knowledge and tools. Sorry, knowledge and time are the two most important tools that one can possess. Very good. Second, she had already spoken. Bhumika, speak again.
Knowledge is a unique possession that can never be stolen.
Good. Written everyone, the second one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is the third one?
Knowledge
I?
develops the excellence of mind and leads to human faculties.
Very good.
Ma'am, can I tell
Excellent.
fourth one?
Knowledge develops the excellence of mind and leads to human faculties. The fourth one is long one. Tell me the answer.
Ma'am, can I
Yes,
tell?
ma'am.
Yes, beta,
Ma'am,
tell.
the door of success always remain open for those who know how to make the best use of time.
Excellent, beta. Speak once again, but speak a little slowly so that others can understand.
The door of success always remain open for those who know how to make the best use of time.
Very good. Okay, written.
Ma'am, please
We'll
tell
read.
third one again.
Third one. Come on, children. Speak the third one. One of you. Knowledge. Start. Speak.
Knowledge develops the excellence of mind and leads to human faculties.
Okay. Knowledge develops the excellence of mind and leads to human faculties. Has everyone written all the 4, or you want to ask something? You can still ask. Now, please plan the next exercise 2. Put on the heading exercise 2, plan your answers. First, finish writing the answers for exercise 1. If you have missed out something, please ask again. Now, plan answers for exercise 2.
Ma'am,
Just
what is
read-
the meaning of excursion here?
Read the sentence.
Ma'am, only ma'am it is written, ma'am, excursion, ma'am.
Excursion is when you go to travel and you climb a hill some kind of adventure with climbing excursions. Okay. Raise your hands,
Okay,
those who
ma'am.
finished. Raise your hands after you finish 4 sentences. Plan it, beta. Always count the number of words. Are they same or not? Yes, you need more time or you finished?
Ma'am, we need only 2 minutes.
A minute extra? Take it, beta. Yes, beta, done. Yes, Piche, let's discuss the answers. Ready? Tell me the first one. Yes. Tell the answer. First one.
Excursion is a short trip taken for pleasure.
Yes. Come on, tell me. Speak again, Bhumika.
Excursion is a short trip taken for a pleasure. Taken for a
Good.
pleasure.
But this is wrong, and you have not used, you have missed out the word and. You have not used and. Anyone else who can give me the answer?
Ma'am, an excursion is a short trip taken for pleasure.
Yes, this is perfect. Speak again and speak slowly.
Ma'am, an excursion is a short trip taken for pleasure.
Very good. What about the second one? Tell me the second one, children.
It is essential for schools to provide tours and to provide excursion tours and trips.
Very good. We can make it like this also. Speak again and children check out if she has used all the words. It is essential. Speak again, Bhumika. Speak slowly.
It is essential for schools to provide for excursion tours and trips.
Very good. Excellent. Yes, speak out the third one. If you miss out something, you can ask your friends before writing. Yes, the third one, children, tell me. Anyone who can get the third answer? Yes. Beta, who is this child with Urdu letters on the group?
Zainab. Ma'am, Zainab is having some network issues.
Network issues. So let her have, I don't care. When I told her to speak present, she did not. So I removed her.
And what will be the answer of the C1?
Yes, Peter. First you try.
I'm not
First you all
able.
try. Yes, Peter.
Yes.
First you all try. Yes. Anyone else?
Ma'am, I'm not able to make out what is it.
No, is there anyone? Yes, Bache? Nobody is able to do? Okay, I'll help you. Which one you're not able to do? Third
Ma'am,
one?
C1 and D1.
Try the C1. Anyone? One chance I'm giving everybody. Is there anyone who can try? No? So let's do it together. Let's do it together. The joy of children being out gives with it together their peers. Yes, let's do this. What are peers? Friends. What does peers means? Friends.
Yes,
Now can you
ma'am.
try? Yes. Anyone? Children? Yes.
Ma'am, the joy of being out together.
Hmm.
The joy of being out together with it gives children their peers.
Speak again. What did you say?
The joy of being out together gives children with it their peers.
I think this it is extra. Let's remove it. With their peers. Let's have it. This it is extra. Okay,
Yes,
remove
ma'am.
this. Now speak the sentence. Now it's correct.
The joy of being out together with children, being out together gives children their peers.
Now it is better. Remove this it. What about the D one? Let me see who can give the answer for D. Anyone? The D one?
Ma'am, please please give 1 minute.
Sure, sure. Take your time. Let's see if someone can attempt. Right? Anyone, Beta?
Ma'am,
The
please give me only 30 seconds.
Okay, okay. Take. No issues.
curiosity to
Mm-hmm.
explore
Speak,
the
speak, speak.
place. The curiosity is to explore the place is an opportunity of enjoy and visit.
Some words are left out.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. This is fun. It is tricky also, but it is fun also. Let me see who wins this challenge. The fourth one.
The curiosity is to explore the place personally. It gives an
Try from
opportunity.
here. It gives. Try starting from it gives. It gives an opportunity. I'm giving you a clue. Now do it. It gives an opportunity. It gives an
Ma'am,
opportunity
Ma'am,
to
done.
explore.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done.
Gives
Ma'am,
an
it gives an opportunity to explore personally the curiosities of the visited place and enjoy.
Excellent. Excellent. Speak again. Speak slowly.
Ma'am, it
Very
gives
nice.
an opportunity to explore the curiosities of it gives an opportunity to explore personally the curiosities of the visited place and only enjoy.
Very nice. Very nice. If anyone wants him to speak again, he can do that. Now do the third one. This is very easy. Comparatively, this is easier. If you want, you have missed out any of the second one or the first one, you can ask your friends. Keep writing. Now find the answers to the third one. Very quickly. Third is very easy. Once you finish, let me know. We'll discuss. Hurry up, beta. Paragraph 3. This is quite easy. If anyone finishes, let me know.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of generously?
Generosity means kindness, to be kind hearted. Yes, children, try.
Ma'am, first one is India is the world's one of the oldest civilization.
Beta, try and speak the first one again. India is one of the. Speak, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
India is
Mhm.
one
Ma'am,
of
Speak.
India
the
is world's one of the oldest civilization.
Yes, good. Continue, children. Continue. Second one, who will give me? Try the second one now, children.
India is rich in places of historical, religious, industrial, and scientific interest.
Excellent, excellent. Speak again,
Yes,
but a little
ma'am.
slowly.
Same.
Again, speak slowly.
Same.
Yes. India is rich in places of historical, religious, industrial, and scientific interest.
Perfect. This is correct. Both of you have got the same answer. Good. Move further. Third one.
Nature bounties has also spread all over the country generously. Ma'am, it is not there.
Will you speak again? Speak again a little slowly.
Nature's bounties has also spread all over the country generously. It is not coming.
Never mind. Anyone else who can try the third one? Yes, anyone who can try the third one?
Ma'am, I am confused. Ma'am, it also.
Speak slowly, speak out with.
Ma'am, all over the country generously has also spread nature bounties.
It is not there.
No, it is not there. She's right. Try again.
Ma'am, we can tell like
You
this.
cannot use, you cannot
Over
add extra word.
all over
Try
the
again.
country, nature bounties has spread generously.
Now check out for the words, beta. Check out if every word is there and no word is extra.
Ma'am, nothing is extra, ma'am.
Yes, I feel all things are perfect. There is nothing extra. He has not missed out any word. Very good. Move on to the fourth and the last one of this one very quickly.
Yes,
It is
ma'am.
easy.
The
This is
list
easier way.
And the list of
list
available
of available
places and
places and
sports
sports
can never
can
be
never be exhausted.
exhausted.
Let me check. All words are there. Yes,
Yes,
very good.
ma'am.
All
Words
words
are
are
there.
Yes,
there.
ma'am.
Excellent. All words are there and you have not missed out on any of the letters. Very nice,
Yes.
beta. Very good.
Excuse
So,
me.
yes, Pachi, speak.
Ma'am, from one line, ma'am, we can make we can make many sentences.
Yes, we can, but we have to ensure that every word is used and no extra word is added. That is the only rule. You can have different. This is the last
Okay,
exercise.
ma'am.
Let's do it quickly. The last one. Okay, try the first one. First, the first one. Only the first.
Morning walk is good for health.
Please count whether all words have been used or not. No extra word to be added and no word to be left. That is the only rule.
Ma'am, morning walk is good for health, uh, but also extremely enjoyable.
Okay. Just put out, has she
Morning.
used all the words?
Yes. Morning walk is
Very good. Morning walk is not only good
Ma'am,
for
I'm
health,
done. Ma'am, morning
but
walk
also
is not
extremely.
only good for health, but also extremely enjoyable.
Very good. Now please plan the second one. Plan the second one, children.
The
In the morning, the atmosphere is very pleasant. Indeed.
Do you agree with the answer? Yes. Tell me, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. I think it is right.
It is correct now. Very good.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
on to the next one, the third one. Hurry up, do it third and fourth, and then please post your work on the group, all of you.
We enjoy morning breeze as we move out and feel refreshed.
Whether there's some problem in your audio, speak again.
The morning breeze. We enjoy the morning breeze as we move out and feel refreshed.
You think her answer is correct? Tell me, Vida.
Ma'am, which one? I was actually disconnected.
Speak the last one. Hurry up and please post your work on the group. Quickly,
Then
those
there is
Hmm.
mellow glow of the rising sun and the music of the early
Very
birds.
nice. Very nice. Speak again, speak slowly so that everybody can understand.
There is mellow glow of the rising sun and the music of the early birds.
Excellent, Bache. Excellent. Very nice. Very, very nice. Please post your work on the group with your names. Hurry up. Hardly a minute left. Post your work on the group.
Ma'am, I have written on the rough notebook and
Never mind.
there is
Never
lot
mind.
of
Even
cutting.
here, never mind. Never mind. Your name should be there so that I can mark you present. Even if it is written very shabbily, very dirty, no issues. Just post with your name. Only those students
Okay,
are
ma'am.
not present who post their work. I am absolutely okay, even if it is very untidily done. At least you have done. Post.